Hello there and welcome to this video where we're going to learn how to draw the letter A. So this is the typical italic letter A. And from my experience, it is best when we decompose this letter into different strokes. So I'm going to show you the different strokes that you really have to master in order to produce a good letter A. So there's this stroke right there. There's the diagonal stroke here. There's a second stroke here with a small serif, and then there's the horizontal line. So it's important to decompose, because if you just write the letter A like this, well, okay, this is not a bad letter A, but most people would write it, I don't know, like this, and there's a high likelihood that you're gonna make a mistake in one of the strokes. So the best way to learn calligraphy is to really decompose a letter into its components, and that way, when you master like this component and that component and that component and this one, then you really master the architecture of the letter. So let's take a look again at the letter A. So the letter A is like this. This is the first stroke, the second stroke, the third stroke, and then the final stroke. See, like when you practice each stroke, like number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and you master each stroke, the execution is really perfect, then you can end up with a very nice letter. Same thing, by the way, with the letter B, which is the second family, by the way. So this is stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3, and stroke number 4. Okay. And same thing with other letters, like let's say N, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I guess it's not intuitive for people to learn how to write this way, because I guess when we were kids, we learned to write like in one shot like that, or B like that, N like that. But it's really different with calligraphy. You really have to decompose the letters into separate components, and then you can master each stroke.